Let's talk about the number of hours in a single transaction. Remember that our primary job is to transact. We want to be in front of people. We want to be doing the activities that actually culminate into successfully closed transactions. We spend approximately 32 hours for one transaction. That's a lot of time. Think about if you have a couple of transactions going, 32 hours times a few transactions and all the other things we want to accomplish in the course of a day, week, month, it really adds up. It's about 6 hours for prospecting, 4 hours in research for the transaction, another 10 hours touring, getting in our car, driving around, looking at properties, our time, our resources, our gasoline. 10 hours is a lot of time for a single transaction. 4 hours in client management, the phone calls, the conversations, the discussing how and why and where. 8 hours of file management time. This is a great place for me to remind you, please, work with a transaction coordinator. Our transaction coordinators are amazing. Why would you want to do 8 hours of file management work? You didn't choose to become an administrative assistant or a secretary. You are an entrepreneur running your own business. Have the experts run your files for you. So again, just to go over, 6 hours of prospecting, 3 hours of research, 10 hours touring, 4 hours client management, 8 hours of file management. There are much better ways to spend your time than file management.